All right, everyone. It's a beautiful sunny evening, and we're here in Millennium Park about to do something kind of crazy. Here with my boy Troy.
What up?
And we got the kayaks out, and it's flooded. There is a flood warning going on right now in our county. Everyone is advised to stay at home. You can see the roads back there are all closed. And here we are, we've got the kayaks. And this is the brand new .65 tequila. And we're right in the middle of the road here, folks. And we're going for it. Let me pull the kayak in the water a little bit. And let's get started. Got the guardrails right to our side. So here we are, guys. I'm rocking the new paddle. It's the Aquabound Manta Ray carbon fiber paddle. I got the 230 centimeter paddle. I did make a mistake, I'll be honest with y'all, and I got a 210 centimeter paddle as well on accident. Didn't really know what I was doing quite yet. So I got two carbon fiber paddles, but the 210 centimeter is the Aquabound Stingray. And right now I'm using the Manta Ray. So we're passing, let me flip the camera. We are passing the boat launch that typically you'll find, trucks and trailers parked at. And this is where you launch right onto the Grand River. But right now it is completely flooded. How deep do you think this is, Troy? Probably 5 feet?
We're probably looking at 4 or 5 feet.
Yeah, 4 or 5 feet right now.
That's a Michigan springtime.
All right, we're coming up on the stop sign. About halfway underwater. So this is the first time in this kayak. This is the .65 North kayak, Sweden, the tequila version, and it's feeling real good, real good. A lot of trash around here. It's disappointing to see. No. Look at all the trash here, folks. Getting stuck. All right, we made it to a little inland lake off of the Grand River. It was a little difficult to get here, actually. Yeah, we had to go through quite a few different trees and little obstacles to make it into this lake. All the trees over here is where we came from. All right, here we are, gonna head back on the road, kind of out of our little hidden lake that we found, and it will be a little bit of a process to get out of here. You're going a different way, huh? Are you going the same way we came? Are you going the same way we came or a different way?
I guess I'm just going
Yeah. I don't know where I'm going.
this way.
I almost am worried that you're going the right way because I'm looking over there ahead of me. That doesn't look as promising. So I'm going to back up a little bit and kind of reanalyze the situation. And what I'm thinking, folks, I'm going to try and sneak through. Yup. That's what I'm thinking, dude. I'm going to sneak through over there. I see a direct route to get where you are. Yup. Yeah, a lot of spiders out here, folks. That's the only downside. Yep, I'm kind of wishing I would have brought my bug net with me, folks. But other than that, I'm having a great time. Ooh. All right, here we go. All right, I'm gonna try and send it over this log here, folks. I'm gonna have to put the camera down for this one. Oh, well, no, I didn't even have to put the camera down. Oh boy. Yeah, getting stuck in a tree there, folks. Alright, let's just gonna try and power through it. Oh, oh boy. Yeah, a lot of little branches. What do we got down here? A boat coming? Or is that a chopper up in the air? Sounds like a boat. Alright. I could go this way there, but I'm gonna go this way over here. You can see there's a lot of sticks in the, or sticks, I guess I should call them trees, in the water here. Makes the navigation a little bit more challenging. And then and you got things like that just whapping you in the head. All right, we made it back on the road. Big old bird's nest up there. Here we are back on the bridge. You can see the guardrails popping up. And then a fence on the sides. So yeah, this is a common road that we take, but obviously not this week. So here we are all the way up to the very tippy top of the guardrails here. Yeah, I love the lightweight carbon fiber paddle here. Kayak's holding up real nice as well. What do you got, a fire hydrant right here or something? And nothing better than a river beer here. That's a mandatory requirement. You do the grass here instead. That'll work. Yep. Oh, thank you. Woo! There we are.
Yeah, bro, look at this. Another spider.
Oh, dude, they're all over.
Spider.
Dude, I'm telling
bug.
you. Oh, another one right here.
Spider.
Oh, they're probably all over me, bro. All right, guys, we're back here for a second day, Saturday, afternoon in Millennium Park, and it's another even more flooded day today.
Trail up to right where it intersects with the river, and we can hop out into the stream and hey.
Yeah, that seems to make sense to me. Let's do it. All right, guys, we made it out to the river, and let me tell you, there is a bit of a current. Nothing too crazy, nothing we can't handle here, but we're moving pretty fast. So you can see over here, guys, off to the right, there's a lot of trash piling up. Pretty sad to see. Ooh, Troy's getting stuck. Woo, here we are cruising Grand River, April 8th, flood zone. Nice current, nice pace. Whew, and we've got a bit of a journey ahead of us. We're currently, in Millennium Park area still, just at the edge of Grand Rapids, kind of entering into Walker. We're going to be passing into the Wyoming and Granville areas as well. And then we're going to be also passing through Jenison, through the Wallingwood Springs Country Club. And then after that, we'll be getting into Allendale area. And that's where our journey's going to end today, is in Allendale. Oh, there was a jumping fish right there. And yeah, you can see a bit of a rapids cooking over there. So over in front of us here, we can see actually the boat launch. Obviously covered underwater, but this is where we were yesterday riding through. And we didn't actually come out to the main river yesterday. We were just over kind of in the boat launch and road area, checking out the swamps over there as well. But today we're actually in the main river here, and it's not as bad as I was expecting. It might have been a little bit faster moving yesterday. You can still see the water moving, and we got a nice pace going in the kayaks, but it's definitely nothing too crazy. So one thing I wanted to touch on here in this video, I want you to think back about the history and the founding of Grand Rapids and why Grand Rapids was established where it was. Why was it not right on Lake Michigan like a lot of people wish that it was? Well, the reason is because of this river, the Grand River, and specifically the logging industry. And so the Grand River was used significantly for the logging industry. Logs were floated down and ultimately shipped away and brought all over the Midwest and probably even the country. And so the Grand River was big into the logging industry, and that is the main reason why Grand Rapids was established where it is. So another piece of history to be thinking about here, guys, is the Native Americans. The Native Americans used to use the Grand River for travel. This used to be their main highway. Alright, gonna coast through this bridge here. See if we can catch a red light here, trying to wave to some traffic. Yeah, we've definitely got a little rapids that we're coming up on under the bridge here. Hopefully we don't fall and drown. Here we go. Going underneath. Whoa, there's a bird. Going underneath the bridge, guys. Yeah, baby. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. On to the other side. Let me flip it around. All right. Underneath the bridge, we made it. We're still alive. And take a look at in front of us here, up above, all these birds up on the power line. Oh, they just flew away. Except that one. One stayed. And they are all coming back. Well, not all of them. Only a couple of them. Now there's 4 of them. 5 of them. All right. 5 homies hanging out. The rest of them just going and testing their wings out, getting a little exercise. Oh, now there's only 1 again. Okay, I guess there's always 1 that just stays and just like holds the fort down, is what I'm learning about whatever birds these are. Someone let me know in the comments what type of birds are those. So we've got the highway over to our left, and we're probably going to try and sneak over close to the highway and try and grab some attention of some ongoing traffic. Here we are. We made it right up on the traffic here. There we go. There's the highway. All right, guys, we're about probably halfway of our journey right now. We're currently in Jenison, and we're actually specifically on Wallingwood Golf Course. So there's actually you can see the the green. We're kayaking the green right now, and here's the flag for the hole. So, I mean, yeah, I've never done this before. It's not something you can do. I mean, does this happen every year? Yeah, this is probably the biggest, like, flood in this area in the past at least 10 years or so. Maybe more. But yeah, right here we can see the flag for the green. And what hole is this? Hole 18? No, that's number 10. Hole 10? This is flag 10 of Wallingwood Golf Course. Here we are.
We can head straight up the fairway.
Yeah. Yeah, let's head up the fairway, and we'll make our way towards
number 11.
Yeah.
Nice par 5.
Yeah, we'll make our way towards this par 5 over here. Oh man. Okay, guys, so believe it or not, but my grandma actually lives on this golf course in one of these condos coming up. I'm gonna go ahead and try giving her a call, and we'll see if she answers. Maybe we can pull right up, in her backyard. Put her on speaker here.
Hello, Colin.
Hello, Grandma. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm reading. I'm falling asleep.
Oh, are you just at home right now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Yes, I'm reading. I'm fine, and I keep falling asleep.
What book are you reading?
What book am I reading? Well, I'm reading it's called The Gown. It's a novel of a royal wedding.
Oh, is it like the royal wedding, like the British?
Queen Elizabeth.
Oh, wow.
And this girl was an embroiderer.
Okay.
And they made all these fancy clothes for the, yeah.
That sounds good.
Gowns that they wore at weddings and so forth. So.
Well, it sounds like a nice afternoon for a nap.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I tried to walk and my foot hurt so bad I turned around and came back home. I've got the river in my backyard.
You got the river right in the backyard?
Yeah, it's covered us over the cart path.
Wow.
It keeps getting worse. And it's not supposed to crest on what, tomorrow or something?
Yeah. See, so are you just on
the river from the Comstock Park? That's when it crests.
You're just on the couch right now?
Somebody's out there in a kayak. I think I can see it coming down the river.
Oh, really?
Well,
that's me. You see me waving? You see me waving?
No, this down is so past Bill. It's red and yellow. Oh, kayak. Oh, interesting.
Oh, a red and yellow kayak?
Mm-hmm. Kayak or canoe or something.
How about, do you see a green one?
No, are you there too? Are you coming down my river?
Yeah, maybe you'll see a green one popping up here.
Oh, they're telling people not to get on the water. This come right down the fairway. It's orange and yellow.
Oh, you don't see the green one?
No, it's this one, the one I'm seeing. Are you coming? Oh, wait a minute. Colin, hold on. I think I see it. I think I see a green one.
You see the green one?
Good child. Oh, I do see a green one.
Well, it might be behind the pine tree now.
Yes, you are. Oh, kiddo. This is something else.
Isn't that something?
What?
Isn't this something?
I'm gonna see you. I gotta see you.
Yeah, let me pull up.
I'm up in the deck. Well, there you are. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna pull up and I'll come say hi.
You come and say hi, yeah. I can't throw you an anchor.
No. How about that? Yup.
Look at your kayak.
Yup.
Oh my goodness. I will get a picture of that.
Let me hang up.
I gotta get a picture of you. Look at there. Wow. Don't turn around. Come on, look this way.
Huh? Alright guys, we made it to my grandma's. Whew, river right in the backyard. Right?
Oh my goodness.
How about this, huh?
What'd you do with your boots?
I still got them
Oh,
on.
you still got them on?
Yeah.
Hey guys, this is crazy.
Yeah. Give you a hug there.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. All right, we're leaving my grandma's condo and back, entering into the main river area. Unbelievable.
How nice is this?
And we're pulling up our kayaks right on the green. Wow.
Take a little sun bath.
Wow.
How comfortable is this?
I love it.
Oh.
All right, guys, so we're currently in a campground along the Grand River. And you can see what's pretty neat up here is the Grand Lady, which is the riverboat. They do dinners and things like that. I think you can probably rent it out for a wedding reception or something. And as no one can currently access this boat except by water because of the flooding, you know, we're currently on a road right now. We are tempted to board this puppy.
All right, you got it?
Yep.
You got it? Here we are on the Grand Rapids riverboat. What do they call it? The Grand Lady. Gates open. Oh, here we are. There's the captain's deck. Look at that giant wooden wheel. The Grand Lady, here we are. There's the bridge. Need to make my way around to the rear of the ship, if I can. Oh, nice bar in here. There's a barge. Quite some construction going on. Sneak through here. Here we go. I don't think I'll make it to the back. But how about it? I'm gonna take a shortcut. Back around. Ooh, don't want to fall. Don't want to fall here.
What's that?
Definitely don't want to fall. Hanging off the outside of the Grand Lady on the flooded Grand River. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Oh man, don't lose her. Hold up, grab onto it, bro.
I got you.
Oh boy. Here we go. Woo! Yeah!
Oh yeah, baby. Here we go. That was actually kind of tough keeping it here.
I can imagine. Here, let go of it.
Oh my God. Let's get it. Here's the big water wheel on the Grand Lady, folks. Pretty crazy.
Has anyone ever done this?
Probably not.
Come on.
That is quite something. So we've got an underwater camper at this campground. Here it is, the Mallard. And I feel bad for whoever owns that, because obviously there's some damage being done to it right now. All right, guys, I definitely need to get this on video. So I'm out here in the middle of the river, and off to my left I found a abandoned shipping container or old semi-trailer that was literally just right out here in the middle of the river. So I had to kayak up to it, and one side here you can see is open. You can see up top the roof is kind of rusted out up there. But yeah, I mean, definitely you can tell this thing it's very old. Zoom in the back there. I'm tempted to climb in, but I don't really see a great point other than to just take a little bit of a better look at some of the graffiti that is in there. But wow, definitely pretty crazy out here in the middle of the river to find a abandoned semi-trailer, and you can even see the old wheels on it down there underwater too. All right, guys, I had to take a quick stop and check out the underground or the underwater vehicle here.
Full of bullet holes?
Really, full of bullet holes too?
And the trunk lid is full of bullet holes.
Jeez, man, I wonder what kind of vehicle that is. It's an oldie.